Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and in this video we're gonna analyze the market fundamentally for the next week. That means next Monday to Friday. That means next 28th July to 1st August. Okay, and in that particular analysis, we will also analyze the NFP market. That means NFP news, which is coming in next Friday. So as you can see there, I just marked here XAUUSD news. That means we have to follow USD news because of XAUUSD always following United States dollar. Okay, so it's always depend on United States dollars inflation or United States dollars strength. So we have to follow United States dollar news. That means US news. So as you can see there, beginning before we explain all of those, so we need to see how many news comes up in upcoming days. As you can see there, Monday there is no USD news, so there is no news means market is going to move ups and down, so there is a chance to scalp more and more, and we will follow technical analysis for this day and Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday. For those all of days we have to follow technical analysis. When we don't have any news, we have to follow technical, and in news time you can go to forexfactory.com and check your local time. So when news come, we will follow only fundamental analysis, and without news time we will follow technical analysis like trend line, support and resistance, and blah blah blah. Okay, so before we start, we just continuously just seeing the market movement. And as you can see there, as per I said, there is NFP news. Okay, NFP news. Okay, that means non-farm employment challenge. So this is the most important, very important news for the whole month. That means this is most powerful news. Okay, most powerful news for the whole month. Okay, like it's powerful than CPI, it's powerful than unemployment challenge, it's powerful than jobless claim, it's powerful than ISM manufacturing PMI news, is powerful than FOMC statement. Okay, so let's get back in beginning of the video. Okay, so let's start it. So as per you can see there, there is gold news and selected, and we have two sticky notes over here. One of them positive news. Basically news come with two type of data. One of is positive data, another one is negative data. Okay, for positive news, data come with positive value like a green 0.5%, green 245k, and for positive news we will sell gold, and for negative news we will buy gold, and data comes with red 0.5%, red 245k, like that. And for positive news, data come with positive like a green value, and negative news data come with a negative value like a red value. So for negative we will buy gold, for positive we will sell gold. That means we will do opponent whatever comes here. Like for positive news we will sell gold, for negative news we will buy gold. Okay, and you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why for positive news we will sell gold, why for negative news we will buy gold? So let me explain that, and before that I want to remove all of them. And as you can see there is a few triangle. I just draw it over here, and I will explain. Suppose one bar of gold is equivalent to 2500 United States dollar. That means if you want to buy one gold bar, you have to spend 2500 United States dollars, suppose. Okay, and there is one triangle of gold bar, and there is one triangle of 2500 United States dollars. So you have to keep your concern two things. Okay, gold value is always fixed, and currency value is changeable. That means USD value is changeable. Currency value can be up or down, inflation can be up and down, but materials value like gold value is always fixed. Okay, so as per I said, minus 5% data come in news, like this rate 5%. Okay, data come, so 5% data come with which one, where? In USD, minus 5%. So if we minus 5% from this triangle, the triangle will be minus 5%. That means minus 5% smaller, 5% smaller than previous one. So in that case, gold is bigger than USD. So as you can see, the chart is automatically going up. That means for negative news, gold is buy. For positive news, if we add plus 5% on this triangle, like previous triangle, our reference triangle, plus suppose I add plus 5% in that triangle, so that triangle will be 5% bigger than previous one. In that case, gold is sell. That means smaller than United States dollar. So we will sell gold in that case for positive news. Hopefully all things is clear now. So let's get into the real market, or let's get into the economic calendar. Like you can check forexfactory.com, and there is screenshot taken from forexfactory.com. Monday we have no news over here, so we will continue analyzing from the Tuesday. Tuesday there is one major, one semi-major news, and if news data come with green something, we will sell gold. Okay, if news data come with red something, we will buy gold. Same theory. Okay, if news data in Wednesday, if news data come with positive value for anyone, okay, positive value, we will sell gold. For if news data come with negative value, we will buy gold. This is the simplest theory as per in the YouTube community or Telegram community. This is the simplest. If you understand this video, your all of fundamental theory will be clear. Okay, and in Thursday we have a lot of news. That means that is major news, and same theory we will apply. For positive value, we will sell gold. For negative value, we will buy gold. And for Friday there is same theory, and for NFP market will move very fast. So you have to super active, and if you are especially newbie on the market, you have to try that on a demo account, because within a second market can move till 500 pips. Okay, 500 pips. So if you are a small investor, like if you have a small account, so your account will be washed out within a second. So if you are newbie on this place or news trade, so you have to practice all of news, or especially NFP news where in demo account. Okay, so I just try to cover up basics of fundamental things. Hopefully you understand all of things. If you have any more query or any more question about fundamental analysis, you may ask us on Telegram channel link in the video description, and there we are sharing a lot of news analysis from daily market, so you may join there. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.